What should I do?
Select a menu item and start it.
Select item 2. Select item 1. Start task. What must I do now?
Please enter serial number of the equipment you are maintaining.
S113245. S227. Please help me.
Look the barcode with serial number.
S1648. Confirm. OK. What must I measure?
Must measure the thickness.
What's the unit?
The unit is millimeters.
What's the minimum value?
Minimum value is 3.2 millimeters.
3.5.
You have set 3.5.
Save. What's the max value?
Maximum value is 5.0 millimeters.
4.82. Save. 4.97.
You have set 4.97.
Save. Done. Failed. Scrapped. And now what should I do?
Please choose a reason code.
Help me.
If you select failed, choose a reason code in the list.
Failed. Worn. Scored. Corrosion. Complete.